Imagine cruising down the highway in your powerful 10-cylinder machine when suddenly you feel a stutter, a loss of power, and that dreaded check engine light starts flashing on your dashboard. It is a sinking feeling, right? If you have plugged in your scanner and pulled the code P02C0, you are dealing with a specific issue: cylinder 10 injector restricted. Now, do not panic, but do not ignore this one either. This code is generic, meaning it pops up on everything from a Ford Transit to a fancy Maybach or a Lamborghini, provided they have 10 cylinders or more. Essentially, your powertrain control module, or PCM, has realized that the fuel injector for cylinder number 10 is not pulling its weight. It is likely restricted or clogged. Fuel injectors are precision instruments. They need to spray a very specific amount of fuel in a perfect pattern. When that pattern gets messed up by debris or a mechanical failure, the cylinder runs lean. That means there's too much air and not enough fuel. Your car figures this out by watching the oxygen sensors and the crankshaft speed. It notices that every time cylinder 10 is supposed to fire, the crankshaft does not speed up as much as it should, and the exhaust is showing lean. This is classified as severe because a lean condition runs hot, really hot. If you leave this alone, you could melt a piston or crack a cylinder head, turning a repair into a complete engine replacement. You might notice the engine shaking, poor fuel economy, or hear a misfire. To fix this, we need to play doctor. First, clear the mass airflow or manifold air pressure codes if you have them. Then, pop the hood and look at the fuel rail around cylinder 10. Is it corroded? Is it leaking? If it looks okay on the outside, grab an automotive stethoscope. With the engine running, touch the tip to the injector. You should hear a steady, rhythmic clicking. No click means it is dead electrically. A weak or erratic click means it is mechanically failing or clogged. If it sounds silent, grab your digital multimeter. You need to check for voltage at the injector connector. Usually, one side has constant battery power and the computer grounds the other side to fire it. If you have no power, check your fuses and relays, especially under load. A fuse might look good, but fail when electricity tries to flow through it. If the wiring is good, you're likely looking at replacing that injector to get your beast running smooth again.